Hello, my name is Emilie Jobin-Poirier and I'm a co-author on the paper Doom, Boom or Gloom, Climate Change Perceptions of Canadian Wine Growers. The other authors on this paper are Dr. Gary Pickering and Dr. Ryan Plummer. Grapes are very climate sensitive. Therefore, the wine industry is one of the agricultural sectors that could be most impacted by climate change. Understanding wine growers' perception of climate change is really important because it could give us insights into how to support the industry to better cope with the consequences of climate change. Our study is the first known attempt to describe wine growers with respect to their environmental values, climate change beliefs and knowledge, and the impacts of climate change on specific wineries and vineyard operations. The other objective of our research was to compare those attributes between wine growers, provinces, and also different populations. We used an online survey to collect data across the 4 main wine-growing provinces of Canada, which are Ontario, British Columbia, Quebec, and Nova Scotia. Our findings show that wine growers have a pro-environmental worldview, a moderate climate change knowledge level, a low level of climate change skepticism, and they perceive that climate change is caused by a combination of natural and human forces. Our study also reveals that wine growers perceive the consequences of climate change to be negative, but also positive for the wine industry. Specific benefits included a longer growing seasons for grapes and an improvement of grapes and wine quality. Conversely, the most cited disadvantage associated to climate change was an increase of pest and disease in the vineyard. Overall, our research indicates that we should focus our effort on helping wine growers understand the specific effects of climate change on vineyards and wineries' operations. It also illuminates the need to develop a collaborative strategy involving all the relevant stakeholders of the Canadian wine industry to cope with the challenges associated with present and future climate changes. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you will enjoy reading this paper.